All right, I'm editing a video. I basically recorded a lot yesterday on my trip from Bentonville, Arkansas down here to Appaloosa, Louisiana, and my windshield is a mess. So one of the recommendations is just use a little pad. In order to climb up, you just gotta grab onto the hood. You really can pull those up. So I've gotten up to 600 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully you guys like the content, the videos. Just got tore up by bugs on the drive down. But just taking the time to do this now while I'm waiting for Walmart to unload the trailer will be good for me. So the comparison, the passenger side versus driver side windshield now, night and day. Let's get some more paper towels. And they're right above my my seat. Oh, this side is a mess. So I've just uploaded a trip planning and pre-trip video. If you guys are wondering how I come up with the routes, some of it's just by experience. The other is with Google Maps. And then the Open Door application is how I get my assignment from the company, and they provide a route. So this little cleaning pad you can buy for your kitchen Works really, really well on your windshield. Doesn't scratch the glass. But having a clean windshield is important. All right. And that was something I needed to do. So I woke up this morning, shaved, made my bed, made a cup of coffee, and these front mirrors I push all the way to the up and right. For this one, the up and left. And that gives you the biggest angle to the side of the truck. And most truckers should be doing this every day. It's just a matter of discipline. So that you're able to see as best as you can. And that's how you clean a windshield.